Back out here live in studio, of course, community health, a big issue here in some of our neighborhoods around the area, and getting folks exposed to know what to look for when it comes to keeping a healthy lifestyle is definitely important. So joining us this morning, Terry Lynn Gray from the Fresno Black Chamber of Commerce. There's a big health fair that's going to be coming up here, and she's here to tell us all about it. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, Anthony. I'm well, thank you.
Well, great. We're glad to have you here in studio. So talk to us about it. You guys have a health fair that's going to be going on tomorrow night. Tell us about it. Where's it going to be?
It's going to be at the Cultural Arts District Park. It'll be from 6 to 9 p.m.
Okay.
And that address is 1615 Fulton Street, right downtown.
Talk to us about the health fair. Now, typically you hear Black Chamber of Commerce and you think, okay, what's the connection with health? What inspired you guys to do this?
Right. Well, we wanted to do something in the community for the community. And the Fresno Metro Black Chamber of Commerce envisions a world without social, political, and economic barriers. And healthcare is still a barrier for many in our community.
What type of issues do you think folks are facing there, and what types of things are you going to try to make them aware of as you're there during the health fair? So when they show up, what type of booths or services will be available to them? Yeah,
so we will have health screening, diabetes testing, blood pressure testing. You know, serious illnesses plague our community at much higher rates. We're going to have the March of Dimes. We have folks that are, you know, big names in the Central Valley that are tackling very serious healthcare issues like preterm birth and maternal mental health services.
And from your experience of kind of working with those groups, what types of things or how big of a help has exposing people to those issues been and helping them to deal with it?
Well, you know, things that aren't identified aren't fixed, aren't dealt with, and health screening is the beginning. Early detection for things like cancer, they increase the survival rate. So we're hoping to just get the word out. The community health fair is a fun and convenient way to be able to get that kind of screening.
And what types of things will be available? So lay out the land for us there. As people head out there, what can they expect to see as they arrive?
Well, you know, you're going to see a lot. We've got a lot of vendors there. We've got Kaiser, we've got Clinica Sierra Vista, we've got Susan G. Komen, Agape Schools, we've got Backstreet Entertainment playing some music. AJ Best is going to be singing some tunes for us. We've got Shawana Himes, who's coming out to do some line dancing. It is going to be fun. It's going to be informative. We will have lots of education.
What are you hoping that people take home with them as they come out to the health fair and learn about these things? What are the lessons you hope they're able to take with them from showing up?
Well, you know, most of us are so busy, Anthony, day to day. We forget to take care of ourselves. And we just hope that people will have a good time, be reminded that healthcare is still a very significant issue. Take advantage of the free resources. It is free to
So the health fair is free. And tell us where it's going on at again tomorrow, and what time does it start?
Cultural Arts District Park, 1615 Fulton Street, downtown, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m.
And this is going on Thursday night, right?
Thursday night, tomorrow, 6 to 9 p.m.
Wonderful. Well, Terry and I appreciate you coming in. Guys, we're going to have a link to their information on our website, yourcentralvalley.com. Stay with us. Another check of your news headlines and more in your weather forecast coming up right after the break.